Hey everybody, and welcome back to Empty Pockets Ironworks. Thank you for joining me again this week. Remember, previously I have a drawing going on that we will be drawing for, I believe, September 16th, where you can win this hand-forged rail spike knife that has a skull end on the end of it. Fits good in the hand. It's relatively sharp. I'm no bladesmith, but I did take some time to make this, and I'm offering it up for free. Anybody is available to win this in the continental US, so long as you watch the video, subscribe if you haven't already, share the video to your friends, invite them to like us, and comment on the original video, done. That sounds like a lot, but really all you gotta do is comment done, share the video, and yeah, help us get the word out there that we're in operation and trying to turn our little small potato business into something a little bit bigger. With that, I really appreciate all the new subs that we've gotten in the last week, and we've surpassed 1,100. I think we're pushing 1,200 now, so it's really cool that the channel is growing as much as it is, and that wouldn't be possible if it wasn't for people like you. So, with that, for today's video, I've got a couple of cooking grates that I purchased, and I've also got a plow disc. It's 20.5 inches. It's obviously been wore down. It's relatively old. Already cleaned all the scale and the dirt and grime off of it, but I think we're going to make some sort of a portable cooking spit or fire pit out of said disc. Should be a pretty neat project. I think it'll be a lot of fun. There will be some forging because I'm going to do the uprights, and so it's just kind of a mix between forging and fabrication and making this thing up as I go along. I have an idea, but I'm not sure how it's all going to work out. And in all honesty, I don't know what I'm going to do for the legs. So, stay tuned, follow along. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't. And again, thank you all for joining me. Let's get started.